So this way, when you want to come out from this, you can press escape. Right? Let me see some, I can see some students are raising their hand. Yes, Shreya.
Ma'am, my table is not coming, so can I rejoin?
Yeah, sure. Yes, Sanika.
Ma'am, I have a doubt that in this we do animation and transition, so it need network or it is on that app on that software only.
It is in the software only, presentation, Microsoft PowerPoint. It is the part of this application, is software.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, so let me add one more slide. So how to add? Go to the insert, or you can go to the home and click on the slide. So the next slide will be added. Now here you can enter the text, whichever text you want to enter. Now here I'm going to insert image. So picture this device. So yeah, I'm having this pictures. Insert. Right? You all supposed to smile like this. All are in tension. I don't know किस चीज का tension है तुम लोग को. Huh? Okay. So this is the picture. Now we want to do the animation to this picture. इस picture को थोड़ा animation करना है, ठीक है? Because this is, see, if I run the presentation ना, it is looking very plain. It's just coming the presentation, right? Just look at it. Okay, this is the first slide because we have done the transition for this. So this is coming nicely. Okay. And see, see, I'm doing a mouse click, but still the next slide is not coming. Why? Why next slide is not coming? Can anyone answer me? Why the next slide is not coming? I'm doing a mouse click, but it's not coming. Why? Yes, Arijit?
Ma'am, because you have cut that mouse click, so
Yes,
it is
I have unchecked that box. Yes.
so
Yes.
it is not coming.
Yes, very good. Very good. Good observation. So because of that, it is not coming. So I pressed a enter key. So if you press any key, it will come, because from the keyboard you have not disabled, unchecked it. But for mouse, you have unchecked it. Right? Mouse click हम लोगों ने uncheck किया है. That's why it was not working for the mouse, but it is working for the keyboard. Right? So now this image is coming, and this image is coming very plainly because we have not applied any transition to this. थोड़ा इसको गोल घुमाते हैं, willing करते हैं इसको कुछ. Okay, will come out from the animation. Okay, so who will tell me the steps to do the transition for this smiley? Smiley का transition करने के लिए who will help me? Come on, Hindvi, you can help me. Yes, Hindvi.
What?
I want to apply transition to this smiley. इसको ट्रांजिशन एनिमेशन देना है. कैसे एनिमेशन देंगे बताओ, थोड़ा हेल्प करो मुझे. नहीं? ओके, नाउ पे अटेंशन. ना अभी ध्यान देना, ठीक है? ओके, हु एल्स, एनीवन एल्स कैन हेल्प मी? यस, अनुष्का.
First select the smiley.
Okay, the slide is selected, or should I select the only picture? Both the way it's fine.
Only picture.
Both the way also it's fine. If I do the selection for the slide, that is also fine, or if I do the selection for the image, that is also fine. Okay, I've selected the image. Next, go ahead.
Go to animations.
Animations. Okay.
And select the animation.
Animations or transitions? Which tab?
Transitions.
Transitions, because we have not yet started with the animation text and object. We are still on transitions. Okay. So yes, transitions. And which is your favorite one, Anushka? Which one I should go for? कौन सा select करूँ बताओ?
Ma'am, strips.
Checks. Where are the checks?
No, comb.
Which one?
Comb.
Where it is? Where it? Ah, yeah, I got it. Oh, why it's not applied to this? So it is coming in the combination with previous one. Previous slide, it is coming in combination with the previous one.
Ma'am, I have made one.
Okay, good. I'm recording the session, children. I'm recording. Okay, so yeah, here on mouse click is check. Here again I will check it, and then we'll see the slideshow. Checkbox and end of the slideshow, right? So this is the part which is given on page number 56. That is how you can add the animation with the help of transition tab. With the help of transition tab, right? Hashir, do I need to explain it again, or is it understood to you? Hashir, where are you? Here. Yes, Hashir, please write your answer in the chat box because your video is off. So Hashir, do I need to explain it again? What, Piyush, are you showing something to me? Okay. So it's very easy. Select the slide, go to the transition tab if you want to see more options. Okay. Okay, good, Piyush. Good. Very good. Yes, I can see the screen. So select it and done. If you want to change now here, if you want to have the sound, slideshow ke background mein, if you want to have the sounds, now these are the sounds which are built in, which are available. Drum roll, right? So these are the built-in sounds. So uske liye mujhe thoda audio add karne do screen share mein, so that you can also listen. Yeah. So this is a drum roll and preview. Can you listen? Drum roll सुनाई दिया? आवाज आई? Yes, right. So these are the sounds which are built in. ये already है. या grand welcome है देखो class 6 का claps के साथ, right? So this way you can add the sounds. This way you can add the sound, and if you want to see the slideshow. Plus, secondly, अभी अगर suppose आपके पास कुछ music है and you want to add that music, आपको ये by default music you don't want to use it, right? You want to use the music which you are having, maybe a song or silent music to the presentation. So click on this other sound, and wherever your file is there, now I am not having any file right now in it, right? Because this is my new laptop, so I'm having all the files in my old laptop, right? So I'm not having any, but if you have any, you can simply click on that particular file and click here open. As soon as you open, that particular audio will get added, and there is an option apply to all, so that music will be applicable to all the song. Because see, if your song is of 5 minutes, है ना, तो ऐसा नहीं है कि वो खाली उस स्लाइड के लिए लगेगा. दैट पर्टिकुलर म्यूजिक विल बी थ्रू आउट द स्लाइड. So this is how you can add the sound, because nowadays, see, whenever you are giving a formal presentation, there should be some sound in background, or if you Google it, you will get lots of track for presentations. Presentation के soft music sounds रहते हैं, सिर्फ music रहता है, no wordings, right? And these all are like bomb वगैरह. ऐसा अगर लगाओगे तो teacher भी भाग जाएगी for your presentation, right? So there has to be some soothing music behind the presentation, right? So you can apply those sound. So how to apply it? Click on this sound, and here is the option other sound. So you have to click on other sound. You have to select that particular music, and then you have to click on open. यहाँ पे open आएगा, because right now I have not selected any, because I don't have any music in my laptop right now, right? So you can click on open, and that music will come. Right, so this much part is understood to everyone. Any doubt, any difficulty in this? Acha, Arijit wants to see explosion. Okay. Okay, here explosion. कहाँ पे explosion? आपको sound में explosion चाहिए, अरिजीत? हाँ, here it is. अरिजीत happy? Explosion. अभी बम फटा, बम गिरा जोर से, धूम. Okay. All right. So yeah, that was the fun part. So this is how you can do the transition, and you can add the sound. There are some built-in sound, or you want to add your own soundtrack, you can add it as well. Is it clear? Understood? Any doubt? Any difficulties? If no doubts, still show me thumbs up so that I can go further with the next topic. Great, great, great. Okay, fine. Good. Yeah, we are back on the book PDF. Okay, so now the part which Anushka was telling, right? Ki do go for the animation tab. So what is happening when we go to the animation tab? So when you want to animate any particular text or object, instead of working on the full slide, you want to work on any particular text or any particular object. Object means if you have a picture or you have a smart art, right? Or any image from the clip art you have done. So if you want to work on any particular text or object, you can go for this option. You can animate text, graphics, diagrams, chart, other object on your slide, so that you focus on important points and control the flow of information to develop. See, when you are having in bullets, suppose you have 10 bullets, information, right? So if you suddenly in one shot, if you show all the 10 points on the PowerPoint presentation, then the audience will be engaged in reading all those 10 points. Nobody will listen what you are saying about the first point. So what you should do is, you should just show first point, explain that first bullet point, then you take the second point on your presentation, explain it, then third point, then fourth point, then fifth point, then sixth point. Then your audience will also listen to it, what you are saying. If you सारे के सारे एक साथ अगर स्लाइड पर पॉइंट दिखाओगे, nobody will listen to you, everyone will read it only, right? So for that purpose, you can do the animation for each text or each object. And how to do this? Select the object on the slide that you want to animate. For example, the placeholder. Placeholder किसको बोलते हैं? This we have seen in class 5. Placeholder. Can anyone tell me? What do you mean by placeholder? We have seen this in class 5. What do you mean by placeholder? No one? Nobody knows what is placeholder? No need to Google it now. अभी Google करने की जरूरत नहीं है. Net waste मत करो. Okay, so placeholder is what? When you insert a slide, you got the dotted boxes, right? जहाँ पे आप text लिख सकते हो, image डाल सकते हो. That place is called as the placeholder. which holds your text, which holds your object, which holds your graphs, any particular thing which you are inserting, that place is called as the placeholder, right? So if you want to animate that thing, देखो यहाँ पे dotted dotted लिखा हुआ है, animals that something something लिखा हुआ है, animals that eat only plants and plant products are called herbivorous, right? So this part is written in the placeholder, एक text box के अंदर लिखा हुआ है, right? So that is nothing but a placeholder. It is holding the text, right? And if you want to do an animation to that placeholder, you can do that part also. सिर्फ उसी को animation करना है तो आप कर सकते हो. And how you can do that? So select that particular part, click the animation tab. Now you don't have to go for the transition because transition is for the slide, purely for the slide. Now we are working on individual object, individual text, right? So click on the animation tab. Again, click on the more. You will get a gallery where you can see all the options available. Use scroll bar and click the effect you want to apply. Now, when you are applying the effect, there are three things which you have to focus. First thing is entrance. Entrance means एक होता है entrance, एक होता है emphasis. Third one is exit. तो आपको क्या करना है? Entrance means when the text will come, entry point, when the text will come on your slideshow, at that time you want to apply the animation. दूसरा है emphasis. It comes on the slide. Now I want to emphasize. कभी कभी देखो ऐसे आगे zoom in, zoom out करना है, या फिर उसको सिर्फ ऐसे glittery बनाना है, right? So that is called as the emphasis. It is already there on the slide, but you want to emphasize it, stress out. You want to emphasize on that particular part of your slide. So that is emphasis. And third is the exit. You want to apply an effect when your that particular text is leaving your slide. राइट सो जाते वक्त भी आपको चाहते हो कि थोड़ा ऐसे ऐसे करके जाए, आते वक्त भी थोड़ा ऐसे ऐसे करके आए, एम्फेसिस में भी यू वांट टू फोकस दैट पर्टिकुलर टेक्स्ट. सो दीज आर द थ्री थिंग्स: एंट्रेंस, एम्फेसिस, exit. These are the three ways where you can apply animations, right? And if you want to add an effect that makes an object move in a specified pattern, see what happens is sometimes एक picture आया center में, right? And after some time when you click the mouse, that picture should go to the left side corner. Then next picture is coming in the center. The next, after clicking, that picture should go to the right side. Next, the picture is coming, it should go to the bottom left side. Next picture is coming in the center, it should go to the bottom right corner. So this thing you can decide with the help of this motion paths, right? So let me just show you all this animation. This is picture smiley. We are back with the smiley. Now instead of clicking the transition tab, I'll be clicking on animation, because now I want to work on the placeholders and not on the complete slide. I don't want to work on the full slide. I want to work on the part of the slides, placeholders, objects, images, graphs. So right now I'm having one picture and these are the options. But if I want to see the gallery, I want to see more options. So I'll be clicking on more. So these all options are there. The swivel option is there. Right? And there are a lot more. Wait, Piyush, let me complete it. Bounce. Bounce karte karte. Why it went away? Because see, if you check the category na, if you check the category, see, this is the entrance animation. This all animation you can apply while entering that particular text or image, whatever it is, in the slide. This section is for emphasis and this section is for exiting. So I click bounce. So it is coming in an exit way. It will at the time of exiting the slide. So let me show you something from the emphasis. Yeah, grow shrink. So this is the preview. So it is grow and then it is shrinking back, right? Here also duration is available. You can change it. If you want increase, decrease, you can do that. See, it is growing. So this is emphasis. If you want to emphasis on any part of your slide, any text or any object. These are the options for the directions. I'll just explain what is this. Let's say this is fly in. Entrance का option है. And I don't want from the bottom it should come. I want it should come from the left side. So you can change it. Or I want to change again back from the top. So you can change it. Okay, this animation you have applied, but you want to decide the direction also. So you can do that also. I want to decide the direction. You can do that also. Right? So see, there are not one, there are two animations I have applied. So you can add more animations as well on a single object. I want entrance also, I want emphasis also, and I want exit also, right? So you can add the animations more also on single. यहाँ पे देखो आपको numbering दिख रहा है 1, 2. So first I want this. I've applied this. Then second I want transparency. First I have selected fly in. ये देखो fly in is selected. Second I have selected transparency. Let's say I'm adding one more. Exit I want split. So 3 exit. One, 2, and 3. Right? So there is not condition that only you can apply one animation on one object. No, you can apply as many animations you want on any object or any text or any table or any graph. Right? Now here I'm on slide number 1. For this class 6, this is the placeholder. This is the placeholder. Now I want to apply entrance animation to this. Who can tell me how to apply? Class 6. See, this PowerPoint thing is very important for your future also. In whichever sector, in whichever field you will go now, you have to create a presentation. So you should be able to create presentation. You should be able to apply animations and all those things. Yes, Manasvi.
Then first we have to select the text.
Yes, I have selected. This placeholder I have selected. Next.
Then we have to go in the animation column.
Tab. Yes, animation tab is selected. Next.
Then we have to select what we want for start entrance.
Yes. So which you want? You tell me which one should I use? This is the entrance. Which one I should use?
Bounce.
Which one? Bounce. Okay.
Bounce.
Okay, bounce. Now we need to add same class 6 this placeholder only. I want to exit also. Exit animation. So how can I do that? Same placeholder. I want exit animation as well.
So we have to go in the exit column.
No, first you have to go to the add animation. Now exit. Which one? You tell me which one I should go. Exit में कौन सा select करूँ?
Layout.
Layout. Okay. Okay. Now let's see the. So this is one entrance and this is exit. One, 2, 3. Right? So any difficulty till now in this? Anyone? किसी को कुछ पूछना है? Any doubts? Because I know lots of students are right now with me working on the presentations. Okay, wait. Yes, Shravani.
Yes.
You raise your hand, no?
Ma'am, for telling how to do the animations.
All right. So yes, everyone, are you able to do the animations? Those who are using right now, using their laptops or computers, are you able to do it? Any problem in that? So those who are working on the presentation, kindly do this thing. Please send me the presentations which you have worked on, right? I would love to see the presentations. Okay, Piyush, I can see that. Okay, but I need to check the animations also. So for that, I cannot see the animations like this. So Piyush, do one thing, but now we don't have time. Okay, wait. Let me see if I can. Piyush, I make you the host. Can you? Okay, but you are using the laptop, no? And your Zoom is on mobile phone. किधर गया पीयूष? अच्छा, तो it will not work. It will not work. Okay. Otherwise, ऐसा कोई है क्या जो लैपटॉप पे ही कर रहा है और लैपटॉप पे ही पावर पॉइंट बना रहा है? ओके, अरिजीत आपने बनाया? नहीं बनाया. और किसने? जयजीत आपने बनाया? पीयूष, right click.
But ma'am, I am now using my mobile.
Okay, fine. Piyush, do one thing. Just click on the participants and again make me the host. Because I thought you are working on the laptop, no? So I was about to tell you that to share the screen, but now I come to know that you are not working on the laptop. So please make me host again. Click on the participants.